Morning, my people. Good morning. Morning, YouTube. Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Big up on yourself. Guys, I must apologize for not uploading a video. Yesterday, I've been going on over 2 weeks with a daily upload every day, but yesterday, I started recording. I actually do have some footage, but I didn't edit anything. I didn't upload anything yesterday. I just took some time yesterday. I actually went to Mandeville with the intention of coming back here early to do something, but when we went to Mandeville to do some business, we have gotten further information that we are at the wrong location. We had to go to Kingston, so we had to leave Mandeville and head to Kingston City to get something sorted out, and pretty much take up a lot of my time yesterday. I did video a bit of the journey, but there were so much things going on around that I know would be comfortable for YouTube. Not that it's anything illegal, but music and people were using indecent language and such. Yes, I know this is Jamaica and a lot of people won't mind, but I'm trying to keep the content on the channel strictly clean, so it's just one of those things that you have no control of. People and their mouth, them way there. So yeah, man, really beautiful day. It's Tuesday today, really beautiful. Actually, I'm just sitting on my step with my few little pepper plants that the birds decide to leave. Yeah, man, you see, guys, I go on exceptionally well. That's what's left.
A few moments later.
Out here again, my people. As you can see, kind of far from ground. Yeah, man. I'll leave with one video.
Today is not a cooking day.
Today is not a cooking day. They're on a different work right now. As you can see, and my boy there install some solar camera. Yeah, man. But we don't get the permission to run in from the coconut tree. So without further ado, we have to put it to use. Yeah, we don't put it to use now, people. Other people are going to put it to use. So better me than them. You understand? Yeah, man, the place is a bit overcast. But we will try beat the weather, see there? Back to this side is a bit darker. But see, clear blue skies there. We did have earlier today. But it get a bit dark right now. Yeah, man, so if you don't know a thing, go look more from this. Check in back from the location from the block. I run a look one pattern thing. They are planning to do some soup today, Yeah, man, pumpkin soup with some red peas and thing. What do you think? No forward for some, man. I never see fat man on a breadfruit tree yet. That one is young. I best one, man.
Same thing with the one on here. That's what I'm telling you, it's fresh. River.
See what I got on, people? Wash off my heart. Sweet, sweet Jamaica. People, what kind of banana them? What kind of banana them, master?
The red one?
Yeah, or a purple. I know what name, I can't remember. I know honey banana this. Honey banana no purple so. I'm big so. I think one time here see about 7 species of banana over this, 7 different kinds. I don't know nothing about banana people. You must can't tell me what I'm going to so. Now in the meantime, I go and get the electrolytes up. Yeah, hello, so. You know I get you. Before Colonna kick. You blind? You know see a coconut? It is coconut, my friend. Believe me. Boy, my people, rain, rain, rain wash out the pot. Yeah, man. I wanted to do a little outdoor cooking today, but it's been raining like this over an hour. And earlier today, I went to install some cameras. You understand? So, you know the thing go. Can't mash up nothing at all out the door today. Because rain a fall. But big up on yourself still. Yeah man, big up on yourself. I'm actually going to see if I can still prepare something inside, but what I had planned was to do some soup outside, and I got everything to do the soup. Yeah. I mean, I will do it inside. It's not going to be as fun. It tastes the same, tastes good same way, but you know, I wanted a bit of outdoor adventure business, so I was actually planning to just go outside and deal with a little pot of soup and thing, you know. So I just have to reschedule that for the next day. It is what it is. God works, you know. I'm not question it. None at all. Yeah man, so I'm gonna see what I can prepare inside. I know I still put out a video because I did do an upload yesterday, which was Monday, so I definitely have to get something together to make an upload today. I understand, so big up on yourself and let's see what God have in stores for the rest of the day, because right now it's practically like minutes after 5. Yeah, man. So show no I'm gone. Check in look around this. Alright, so people, so what I'm going on today? Actually want steam a fish, but you see the fish now, I've never seen them scale this fish before. They normally just rip the skin off, so I go make an attempt. I'm not sure how well I go do this because I see fisherman do it and make it look easy. You understand? I don't remember what the fish name, you know. I don't remember. I know the name, I just don't remember. But anyway, in a few minutes, I'm going to show you how I go and I go wire the fish right now to try rip off the skin. See, so stay tuned. Boy people, hey, now sir, the fish take quite a while to deal with. Thing about this fish, guys, you actually have to make an incision somewhere on the skin. I made it here and then I just use my paring knife to slice here, and the skin, it's really thick. I'm not sure if you can see that, right? So when you do that, we just use a knife now and kind of lift up this part. What I normally see they do is they would get some kind of hard stick, right? And they would just roll the skin on the knife, and while they're the stick, they would roll the skin on the stick, right? And while they're rolling the skin or rolling the stick, the skin is peeling back. That's how I normally see they do it. So I should have had this dealt with by the fisherman at the seaside, but people, it's an experience. I mean, I want to go through again. I mean, I've been here like half hour trying to peel this skin off. Yeah man, but me I tell you guys, you see this fish now, well, I practice on the side here, so wanna no bash me. And I learn and I attack the side properly. See? That's how I handle it. But me I tell you say, it was an experience. Yeah man. About half hour now, me there. I try to get it deal with. Well, all done. So just remove all of the excess fins and gills and all of that crap. Yep. The fish here full of meat. I've had it steam roasted before. I'm not going to steam roast this one. Well, when they steam roast it, they just put it in a foil, right? And season it with butter and everything. And then they'll put it on a thin sheet. If you know what a thin sheet is, a baking tray. I mean, I like to eat them, you know. I cut them out. But I've removed all the intestines and all of that and all of the gill them from here, so everything gone. You understand? So practically this is what I'm left with. But this fish, guys, it's packed with meat and the bones are on the bigger side. Right? So I tell you, it was quite a task. I've been in here maybe about half hour trying to peel this skin off. And I get fed up one at a time and I say, you know what? If video must go on, you know. I mean, now go do this, reach this far and turn back. So I did proceed. I was trying to call one of my friends to tell me how to deal with it, but I wasn't getting his phone, so I had to figure it out. And something like this is not something that you probably can Google. Maybe if you watched a video, hey, I'm not tapping nice now, yeah. If you watched that video before, and see then maybe you can go back to that video, which in my case, I really see them hey, quiet down. I've never seen them done it on video. I've seen it in person, so I use what little knowledge I have in my brain, and yeah, that's what I'm left with. Anyway, I roll out one special pot for that one, you know, because you see with all what they go on, we have to make sure we secure some form of meat, and if you put this in something in a pot that will stick, I guess meat will start break apart before it's cooked. So without further ado, I'm going to chop up some natural seasoning for this now. So onion and scallion and thyme, little carrot and little Irish, and yeah, me have some crackers, so I'm not going to do no rice, no flour. So I steam fish and crackers this evening. See? Yeah man, so stay tuned. I'll show you what I'm going to go on and how I go deal with this. Maybe when the fisherman look both and gear, you know, look like this. But as I say, guys, for somebody that has no knowledge in dealing with this fish, I think I did exceptionally well. So big up to myself on this one. I mean, I tell you, say, it was a real pain to deal with. Yeah man, sorry, we never record somebody that true. We never want to laugh off of me. Yes man, but big up on yourself again. Alright, so people, the person I was trying to call just reached out to me and he was explaining how I should have done it. All of what I did last are the things that the remains, like the bones in the back, the gills and all of that. I should have cut those things off first, right? But the boy ain't know, you know, so I know so the objective was to just get off the skin. So there was an easier way to get it off. And me didn't know, so I just do what I can with what I have. You understand? Skin off, no harm, no foul. I tell the man a while ago say me chop off his mouth because I don't like to see teeth and the man laugh off of me. Again guys, this fish is very delicious. Very. What if I mean? So let's go and get some season together and send me show a road. Oh, nice little scotch bonnet here. So far me have thyme, carrot, garlic, onion. Actually, you know, like minced pepper when you do certain kind of meal, because if the pepper is too much, like you can see it and remove it. But for some meal, you just have to just mince it away and just drop the meat, you know? Yeah, and I don't have a piece of butter right here. I just drop them over this too. Yes, because the pot here, quick and fast, one down. As soon as these come to a nice little texture in the pot, then in with my fish. Yeah, so I just go hot the pot, throw in my seasoning. We don't really have to have the pot either, we can just put on the pot with the seasoning and the butter and all that. And just saute them a bit and then fry them up a bit. Yep. Sweet pepper. I leave this glass already clean out and wash, so I just put that one side. Last two things that I'll be adding is a piece of Irish potato and some scallion. This pan, love it so much. My mom actually sent this pan here. I can't tell what it name, but it's great for fish, or if you're doing eggs, or you get the drift. From the look at it, you suppose you can tell what you can prepare in it. It has some kind of build structure in here where it might garnish the food a bit, make the food look presentable and all of that. Yes, I enjoy doing fish in this pan. And if you're doing something that's not that greasy or nothing with a lot of sauce, like when I'm doing eggs in this, I don't have to use a spatula to flip it. I can just close it and flip it. Alright, so cook top and bottom without it being tearing apart or anything like that. So yeah, I actually like use this, but for the fish, I will be flipping it, but I won't be doing that because you know, so I'm going to use some crackers and thing and a little bit of gravy go in it and thing, and yeah, you kind of have one ear up here, so if you don't know what you're doing, it will let out the juice and all that out of the pan. So yeah, you have to be a bit skeptic about what you do. Alright, so I'm going to go in with a bit of the seasons with the butter and everything. Yes, my people, if you have coconut oil, you can add. I don't have any. All I have is natural vegetable oil. You can just grease the pan a bit with a little of your oil. It's not coming out in the properly, so that's why I'm doing it so much. Alright, so with my spatula now, I'm just gonna toss these around a bit, make them saute. That's fine, nice. I don't know, I went to the market to pick up a few things, guys, and somehow it's either I left the tomato same place in the market or something, but I remember when she weighed the tomatoes, and I think about 3 or 4 pounds. I don't remember, but I remember picking up the tomatoes and put it in a bag, and she weighed it. So I have to go back there to find out. So there's no tomatoes in this dish, but if I had any, I definitely put some. But I'm out and I went to the market and I don't know where it is. Right, so just gonna make this saute a bit. Nice and colorful, eh? Then I'll be adding a little water. Not too much. Just enough to cover all of the seasoning that's in the pot. Yep. People, there's no powder season, no dry season, no Maggi, no nothing on this. And the aroma that is kicking up right now, I can tell you. Amazing. Yeah. Alright, so I'm gonna add a little bit of Maggi all-purpose. I'm just gonna add a little bit to this. A lot of people like to use chicken noodles or chicken bouillon or you name it. A lot of people like to use those. Those are fine, right, for steaming fish. Those are fine. But I don't like noodles. I eat it. I don't have a problem with it, but I just don't like noodles with fish because the noodles tend to absorb a lot of the juices. So I don't really want that because I'm going to use crackers, which is going to do the same thing. You see, so my coconut milk is frozen. This would be a perfect time to add a bit of coconut juice to this. However, I'm just going to let this steam for a bit. I'm just going to reduce the flame, give it about 5 minutes before I add the fish. Because fish don't really need that lot of time to cook. Right? So if you don't know what you're doing, you probably have fish soup. So you have to know when to add fish to your pan. I did went ahead. I added a little bit of easy spice all-purpose to this. And Maggi all-purpose. I'm out on fish season, so I just used both, a little bit of black pepper as well, right? And I made an attempt to season this as best as I can, right? So this is just here waiting to be tossed in the pan. So yeah, as soon as the carrots and the Irish have cooked halfway, then I know it's good to drop these in. So I know it's good to drop the fish in. So I'll keep you guys up to speed on that. So I could give it some time and check in again. Alright? Alright, so it's been like 5 minutes. I didn't add any pimento before and I remembered and I just came by and add some pimento seeds or allspice berry as you would call it. Alright, so this has been on for like 5 minutes. Yeah man, everything looking nice and mellow. Time for the fish. I did went ahead and cut this in two because my sister is here and I'm not sure she wants any. I didn't ask, but I did still went ahead and cut it into just in case, right? So I'm now gonna reduce the flame once more and I'm just gonna close it down. I'll give it about 3 minutes on each side, maybe 3 minutes on the first side and 5 on the last, because once this thing starts cooking you don't want to be turning it too much, right? So I'm just gonna give it 3 minutes right now, and as soon as I think this side the side that is down is maybe halfway through, then I'll flip it and give it maybe about 5 minutes on this side. Alright, so let it just stay right there and do what it's supposed to do. And yes guys, you have my Excelsior water crackers are weight. You understand? So Excelsior, big up on yourself. Steam fish without crackers not really make sense. Yeah man, so oh, I have to get my bullet blender. I have a little punch to sort out, you know, I really have no banana and all heap of things to make it the right and proper way, but I do have a one dragon and I have some supplement and I know a nice cup of peanut with some raisins. So you know, steam fish and okra and some strong back punch. Yeah, choppy night. Yeah man. So big up on yourself, my people. So I'm sure I go on and go flip the fish soon. Yeah. Yeah man. That time I have my supper gen, my dragon stout and my peanut in my bullet blender. So this has been about 3 minutes. So I'm gonna make an attempt now. I'll be making my attempt to turn my fish. So I'm going. Nice and lovely people. You see it look like it's already cooked? Yeah man, so fish not really want that much time to cook, people, I tell you. Should have been using my tongue to do this, but I won't be messing up so much things. See, like, the underside is already falling apart, and it's been 3 minutes, people. See, most of the meat I've already torn off. It's right there. So, alright, I'm gonna go to now. Let's just add a little sweet peppers that I had. Yeah, man. Put back some over there, so. And drop some crackers. Come on, drop some crackers like this. I don't want too much. If my sister wants, she can come and add after, because the crackers now will absorb a lot of this liquid that's in there. So 5 minutes, and yeah, 5 minutes and we're good. So in the meantime, make an approach. Make an approach. Oh, the bullet is plugged out. Guys, just a second. Just a quick second. Untangle this cord. Alright. Should I drop some ice in this? Hold on. Well, people, it's like a time bomb. I just tried to pull it, and believe me, I had to close it back as fast as possible. Because I didn't remember that this thing has a bit of acid in there, so, or ash, or whatever you call it. It's a fizzy, it kind of fizzy. So if you shake it, it will expand. Didn't remember, and I should have added maybe a little tiny bit of water to this to reduce that, but never remember, yeah, man, because I moved too fast. Anyway, make it relax for a bit, and then I'll make a next attempt to add some ice to it, because that's something I'm going to drink right now. You know, I go up on the fridge as soon as my fish ready, I deal with it. I deal with my fish and my crackers see me. You understand? Yeah. So that is it. Why people, I remember to start video and I start eat. I start drink too. Yeah man, so I feel selfish in the evening. Yeah. But big up on yourself. Tomorrow. I'm gonna get on next one. Nice and soft, man. Fish tail are nice, man. Full of meat. As I was telling you guys, look at this. This barely have any bones in there. Pure meat. Okay. Meat is a drop off, so. My God.